Hello! We will make 2 pretty girls and 2 cute baby girls. These are the Winter Chill OMG dolls. I can't wait. Are you ready to go with me? If you're ready, let's go! I've got 2 brand new big sisters. Big wig with Madam Can and Camp Cutie with Baby in the Ooze. Let's take a look at Camp Cutie first. There are 4 kinds of OMG dolls. I've got Camp Cutie and Big Wig. Let's see her. There are the sister and all of the outfits. Let's pull this out. I love this backdrop on this one. It looks like Christmas trees. The cutest baby in the ooze. Here's our little cutie baby in the ooze. With her water bottle. For her big sister, we've got some baggies and 2 plastic boxes for accessories. Let's take a look at big sister. I'm gonna pull right over here and see what happens. Oh, it spins around! Wow, here she is! Look at her hair. That's so cute. It's flicked out on one side. The doll comes with a ruby red doll stand. Let's open all the baggies. There have buns. Of course, you can attach 2 little cassette player. I've got a red and black handbag. This is perfect outfit for her. I've got a top. It is her jacket. It's very fluffy on the collar and a colorful purplish plate on the center with the leather arms. They are fuzzy pink boots. It's the leather hat for her. And here are her glasses, her hoop earrings, and cassette player. Let's put these things on her. Here is her final look. I am ready to go camping with my big sister. Let's listen to the music with my walk baby. Let's have a fun glamping time. Let's look over Big Wig OMG doll. Let's open the box with Big Wig. Here is the room for her. It is so pretty. Here is Madam Kim with glittery pinky hair. And what about for Madam Kim? These are the outfits for Big Leg. It's really pretty pink and black stripes on the round container. Let's pull this ribbon. Wow, she's got a coral color hair. It is so wavy. It looks like a really cool jacket with pink and black stripes. This is a fur for her. It's so fuzzy. Let's take a look at other surprises. Little earrings for her. Dress up time. Did you see my pretty big sister? We have pink hair. How about changing your hair color like us? I have to go to work. Hey sis, don't forget to take your laptop. Thank you for watching the video with the Very Family TV. If you have fun with me, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.